Welcome to the Ancestral Smile Ceremony. This is the journey to connect with the wisdom of tribes and ancestors who carried radiant, strong teeth, and to awaken that strength within yourself. Visualize yourself standing in a circle of ancient tribes such as the Lakota, the Matsis, the Mentawi, the Aboriginal, the Maya, any tribe that comes to mind, and each one smiles at you with strong, shining teeth, untouched by decay. Feel their warmth, feel their strength, and whisper softly, "Ancestors, I honor your wisdom. Teach me the secrets of a strong smile." Now, see before you a table of offerings, a miswak stick gifted from the desert tree, the golden root chilquagwe, sparking with energy, a small bowl of clay and salt, cool and grounding, and the spirit of the frog, cambo, radiating purification. One by one, lift these medicines in your mind's eye. Hold them to your heart. Feel their spirit entering your smile. Each plant, each element, strengthening and cleansing your teeth and gums. And bring your awareness to your teeth right now and see roots of light extending down from each tooth into the earth. And they intertwine with the roots of trees, plants, and stones. They connect with your ancestors, stretching back through time. Whisper the following: "I am rooted. I am strong. My teeth are connected to the earth and to my lineage." Feel the beat of the drum as the heartbeat of humanity. With every beat, your teeth grow stronger. With every beat, your teeth grow stronger. With every beat, your gums are nourished. With every beat, you are reminded you carry the strength of every ancestor in your smile. Now place your hands gently over your mouth. Smile softly, feeling the light of all your ancestors shining through you. Whisper, "I carry the ancestral smile. I honor the wisdom of the tribes. I walk with their strength in my teeth and in my spirit." And when you're ready, when you're really ready, you can now open your eyes, feeling refreshed and dentally empowered. Enjoy this moment with a huge smile of peace and joy, and do this meditation daily for maximum power. Much love. Marc the Dental Shaman.